Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility. Locate Android Accessibility Suite. Install or update if needed, then grant required permissions so features can run. Next, flip on the core services, talk back, select to speak and switch access so the system recognizes them. Once done, use the top shortcut to test activation. Make sure notifications allow accessibility control. This gets you into the suite and sets the foundation for customization and practical testing. You now configure each feature to fit your workflow. For talkback, adjust verbosity, speech rate, and gesture assignment so navigation feels natural. Try a short phrase to confirm pacing. Then enable Select to Speak, select its shortcut, and tune highlight color and reading speed for clarity. For switch access, create a profile, map hardware or on-screen switches, and choose scanning options. Once these are set, test navigation through common apps to verify responsiveness and comfort. You finish by testing in everyday apps, open messaging, browser, and settings to confirm navigation and speech behavior. Make incremental adjustments to gestures, speech rate, and timing until the flow is smooth. Then set a persistent shortcut and backup accessibility settings if available, so recovery is simple. If things go wrong, try toggling the specific service off and on, reboot the device, and recheck app permissions. If a feature still fails, reinstall the suite and reapply your saved profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.